they should go to the corner.
Hold it.
It's not a kickable penalty from
On the 5.
where they got it, I think. Chango, what do you think?
On the 5.
Yeah, I think they should go in the corner and then pressurize. As you see, the skipper, number 10, Pereira, I think that's, yeah.
Well, he's certainly carrying a little bit.
If you call that little bit, Shano, for a number 10, it's huge. And Trinity should be playing 10-man rugby.
Well, I'm trying to think of a world rugby 10 that looks like him. We'll have to think about that.
All Black, the guy who plays for the Highlanders. The guy who plays for the Highlanders, I forgot it. Sapuanga.
Give him the chance to take the ball out.
He has a Sapuanga style.
Well, we got a
Hopefully
Sapuanga
he won't have
style.
the twinkle toes of Sapuanga though.
A 10 for Trinity, a Sapuanga style, says Jehan. We'll go with that. Oh dear, terrible line out throw. Well cleaned up by Trinity's number 8. Driving for that line.
Trinity getting to the line. They lost the line out, but won it again. And they are 2 meters away.
There we go again. You can see the ball there, Trinity giving it the old charge. Just a big man trying to drive it up. Inches away now. Good hands.
I mean, this should be
Release it.
good hands by Trinity.
Just trying to drive it through that smallest of gaps. And they're
Right
scored.
As Sean says, it's right time.
Certainly is, and came from good pressure, Jehan. They advanced. That was a huge mistake, but they managed to get that ball from the line out, and it cost Royal dear.
Absolutely. I mean, it started with the penalty at the Trinity 22. They got the line out, but they lost the line out. But they happened to get the ball back, and that's very creditable. Again, it's all about scoring in rugby. So,
Getting over that line is such an important factor.
as you said 15 minutes ago,
Beautiful position. Trinity College all pumped up for the occasion, but of course, good to be able to come back and match the requirement. Changa.
yes,
Yeah, I thought the referee was in a very good position to see that,
absolutely.
the grounding.
And the kick is good. So it's 7 apiece.
Even Steven,
Even Steven.
72nd Bradby.
And like I said, and like we said, at the first minute, it doesn't mean what happens. The whole game needs to go through.
2-2, that runaway try right now all forgotten because it's all 7 apiece. And you saw Coach Miller on screen there, sat making numbers, just marking his book. And Salya Kumara, the backs coach for Trinity. And of course Sean Vijay Singha, the pack coach or forwards coach for Trinity as well. He's had a great season with Kandy, first year as coach. And on the other side, Coach Sanat Martis and Dushan Daluke.
Okay.
So heavy stories because that's a lot of experience there. And here's Trinity now. Referee's got his hand up because that was a knock forward for playing the advantage.
Was it a knock forward by Roy?
Advantage.
But it's down the park. Not a very good kick taken by Owanaski. Decides to have a go. No way through there, running into a big prop man.
Yeah, I would give the ball up. Meeting that guy in front of you.
11 versus number 3. Especially if he's standing 3 inches away from you. If he had 2 foot, I think the 11 would have gone around him.
Well, Royals attacking. I think they're doing the right thing, trying to expand the game a bit.
That's Mohammad Shakir, the number 11 for Royal College, versus the number 3 is Ekanaika for Trinity. The game just reduced to just tackle.
It's all about the modern game now, right, Sean? What do you think?
It certainly is. I'm not a great fan of the hit and run story. I'd
I'm
like
not
to see
either.
first phase rugby.
I would love to see first phase rugby. I mean, we don't see it in school rugby anymore, you know. And we can't emulate All Blacks or Australia or South Africa. We're not at that level. So we
That
should
skill.
play what we did before.
Exactly. We should just rely on that skill and give the freedom for the player to express himself. But of course, it's all about trying to get that big W. Coaches are under a lot of pressure. A lot of investment going in. Here's a drop attempt. Oh my goodness.
The ball is live.
Number
The ball
two.
is alive.
In front of the high mark.
Referee said,
Is he offside there?
yeah, referee
Number
saying
two in front of the
number
high
2
mark.
offside. Very clearly. Was he stood in front, Changa? Tell us
What
about that
do you
one.
think of that?
Yeah, I think he had his hand out. I suppose he was playing advantaged. 2 buys of the cherry. And nevertheless, he's seen it. And Roy
Rohan
gets the
up here,
opportunity to
water
extend
break
the lead
area, Rohan
to
up
10
water
points
break
with his
area,
penalty.
water
It should be an easy one for a kicker, Royal kicker. And coming back to you two gentlemen, I disagree. I think we should keep playing the way the world plays, because it's about a combination of league rugby and union rugby.
True. I don't disagree with you. All I'm saying is I'd like to see first phase rugby come into that format, so it adds to the whole magnificence of the game. Because, you know, if you take that skill and add to it, there you go. I think the game is about big players now. It's the big, strong forwards, really big numbers, the digits. You're talking about 14 stone or 120 kg wingers and stuff. But it also needs that skill, that rare ability that players have to be able to sidestep and run and finish, all those little things. I'm very hopeful that we combine the two, that we come up with that.
I agree with Sean. I agree with you also, Chango. I'm not saying we can get away
We should
from.
all disagree and all
Yes.
agree.
No, but what I'm saying is, Shano, because if you see the Super 14s and on, the
Brilliant
big
stuff.
boys, they move. They move so fast. And we should get this idea of, big people can't move.
That's a big
Oh,
mistake
no,
by Royal there. And Akan off the kickoff. They've been very vulnerable this whole season off the kickoff.
And in fact,
the whole season.
in the Bradby, they've just been short
Twice.
totally.
It's 3 times now that they have knocked on or messed up the kickoff.
We knew that Trinity had a fast set of
Advantage
forwards.
over.
We knew that Trinity was going to run the game as much as they can, and Royal perhaps would try and slow it down. It hasn't happened yet. Good games. Excellent from Trinity College.
No.
Just exploiting the corners and the flanks. Good ball, Rashid Bandar Naika.
Again, a pass that was intercepted, or actually passed to the wrong player,
Advantage over.
and Royal
Advantage
get
over.
away with a certain try by Trinity. But
Terrible.
It's happening all over again.
Terrible,
these tackles
terrible
and-
clearance from.
I believe
No.
that's
That was just
accidental offside.
It really was.
Should
There
be
was
a spun
nobody
down.
there. The referee was a little harsh, I thought.
The accidental offset. I think if the player gets the advantage of that the knock, then the referee brings back. You see that pass. The Sheikh should have had the ball in hand without passing it on.
They should have just controlled it a little bit more before the offload, and things would have been very different.
Right, close. Time.
From down for Royal at their 22, and they should get out of this part of where they are.
There is a serious amount of pressure in that scrum. Shanghai, Jehan, the feeling in the front row, always tough, eh?
I don't want to be there.
You don't want to be there. I don't want to talk about the front row. I had Iqbal
I know you
Hassan.
will.
Iqbal Hassan opposite me.
Okay, boys.
Right.
We need to hold it tight.
Well, enough said.
Pops, we need to hold it
If you've got a
tight.
Hassan opposite you, and what a wonderful family of royalists.
I'm sure he would have
Second
eaten you up.
He just walloped me.
Right, go.
And you would have been a snack for Iqbal Hassan, for Horsey as we call him. All of them are here, by the way.
All the son and the 3 sons and
All of them are here.
here now in Sri Lanka.
And Rahil Hashim and that lot and Mullah and the whole lot are all back. You were talking about that.
I think that's a good move by the Royal scrum half. He saw the flanker unbound and took off. So they gained 22. They gained about 15 to 20 meters, and there's advantage coming up. Penalty for
Stay
Royal.
on feet.
I think Trinity not
Stay on
supporting or not rolling off the tackler.
That's Ashok
So-
Vijay Kumar, the number 9 for Royal College, doing some good work.
Trinity should read the game by now, because Royal are keeping the ball in the short side. onto the short side, every time on the short side, and keep it among the forwards. They're virtually playing a 9-man rugby. Rather than Trinity should read the defense, move on to the short side.
Well, certainly it looks that way, the way Royal are playing. Which again, I come back to what Sean and I were talking about. Royal should try something. Try a skip pass or bring in the fullback or do something that's attractive comparatively to what Trinity does, which is very attractive. Well, they're going it, but they know the rolling ball, although 50 meters out. I believe they are doing it to gain the penalty advantage, which they just got. Now, yeah, he just got it.
Well, Trinity are going to have to work this out, otherwise they're going to be in all sorts of bother.
So now they rolled the ball for about 30 to 40 meters. They got a penalty outside the Trinity 22, which they will probably do the same thing. Go to the corner. Although the Royal kicker has not been that great in getting distance, but as you said before, getting it out is important.
They just want the line out. They just want the line out because they want to continue the rolling ball, which is more important. Look at this now. Look at
But
this
this
position.
kick is very good.
Pressure situation for Trinity, and Royal College now with a real chance of getting some points on the board.
There goes the Sri Lankan chairman, Sri Lankan Airlines chairman Ajit Das out there in the crowd.
My first advice of stopping a rolling ball is don't shove it.
You mean
You
don't defend it?
No, you defend it, but you don't shove it.
Okay.
You jack yourself, and then you just hold it.
And you just lock up.
Lock
yes.
up.
But as we all know, easier said than done, right? And Royal are 3-4 meters away, and they're still rolling.
Yes, they are. The big roller. Where's that ball?
And referee said use it once, but they're moving forward. So, well, and for all intents and purposes, the rolling ball got them there, but they didn't get to try from the rolling ball. I think